Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to set up a custom Sims 4 loading screen. And first of all, you need to head over to the links that we have put down in the description and you'll see these sites. The first thing you need to do is download the installer for this the compiler. So click on the setup and then we have S4PE. Download this one, the 7-zip file, and the next is the template. So download that one too. Okay, so the first thing that we need to do now is head over to Photoshop so that we can design a picture that we can use. Alright, so let's say we want to use this picture. What you need to do is set this picture to 1070 actually. I did it wrong here. It should be 1070, but it should work fine. Just to make it, fit, it should be 1070. So that is it. Might look small, but in The Sims 4, that is okay. Okay, next thing you need to do is export this as a JPEG file. So we have exported the JPEG file. Now we open S4PE. We already have saved the picture, right? Okay, now we open this one. This is the first time I've been opening. Now click on File. And now open the template that we downloaded earlier. I think here download. Yeah, the package. Now right click on this one and then click on Export to File and just save it. Don't touch anything, just save it. And now what we need to do is head over to the file that we just saved, and here is where we need to use the decompiler. And now I'm installing the decompiler that we downloaded earlier. Just ignore the stuff, the errors, because it won't really matter that much anyway. So alright, now that we have it, we can open the file. Let's just click on the file. Let's not run it right now. Uncheck that one, click on Finish, and let's find that file that we exported earlier. This one, click on it, and as you can see, the decompiler will open this for us. Just click on No to All. Don't ask why, just click on No to All, and it should open the file. And now click on Images, expand this one. Click on the third file, and we have here the a default picture. And we need to replace this one with the picture or the loading screen that you want to have. Let's just find the picture that we need. And alright. Okay, this one, and then just click on Save. And actually change some stuff here later on. And what happened was I changed it with something else. So, because I forgot something. What you need to do afterwards is make sure that that template that you saved the package, which is this one, is moved to the mods folder. So you can find your mods folder on the documents and then electronic arts, Sims 4 and mods, and just paste it there. And once we open the game, you should have your new loading screen waiting for you. As you can see, it's working. That is how you have a custom loading screen on Sims 4. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye!